The official start of the Alaska Highway, Mile Zero, right here in Dawson Creek. You can see the iconic sign that says World Famous Alaska Highway. Yes, this is the start of the adventure traveling to Alaska. Mile Zero is Dawson Creek. I'll travel today through Fort St. John, Fort Nelson, Toad River, Coal River, Watson Lake, Whitehorse, Beaver Creek, right up to Delta Junction, which is the end of the Alaska Highway. So sit back and enjoy the adventure of traveling with me to Alaska. Right now, I'm at Mile Zero of the Alaska Highway, ready to start the adventure from Mile Zero right up to Delta Junction. Again, sit back and enjoy the adventure of traveling all of Alaska with me this summer.